Hi everyone, Michelle from Vault Property Management here. Today I'm going to talk to you about what is landlord insurance and do you actually need it. These days there is insurance for just about everything. Houses, cars, holidays, pets. Some people have insurance for just about everything under the sun, but others choose to wing it and face the consequences should they come. If you're a property investor, odds are you're in it for financial security, right? You want your investment to be a success, but if you intend to rent it out, you are actually trusting someone else to take care of it, and that comes with risks. So, what is landlord insurance? It basically covers you for common risks associated with renting out your property. So, theft or burglary from tenants, damage or vandalism by the tenants, loss of rent due to tenant default, legal expenses involved when evicting a tenant. If you don't have landlord insurance, you will be liable for repair costs to your property should the tenants or even their guests cause any damage. Although we minimize the risk of this occurring with our rigorous screening process of tenants, accidents do happen. There is also a risk of your tenant defaulting on their rental payments. We find the majority of tenants are sincere and pay their rent on time, but even honest people hit difficult times, especially during the challenging times we're having at the moment. You may be relying on their rent for income or for it to cover your mortgage costs. Either way, can you afford the periods of loss of rent? There are a few things to look at when shopping around for insurance. So number one is price. But remember, keep in mind the cheapest insurance doesn't always provide the best value for money. Look at the inclusions and exclusions. This is an important one, especially given the times we're experiencing at the moment. So you want to look for loss of rent. Does it cover this? Damage caused by tenants or their pets? You also probably want to look at, if you are tossing up between kind of a few insurance policy quotes, you do want to look at any extras or incentives which may help you sway your decision to one particular policy. Now, there are different types of insurances to look for as well. Got my little Winston here joining me. We've often seen that some landlords have got this incorrect. By this I mean, if you have a house, you will require landlord insurance and make sure that it has building and contents cover. So contents covers your internals like carpet, flooring, paint, curtains, if a fire or water damage occur to the property. We've actually found there are some landlords out there that have got landlord insurance but don't have the contents covered. This is really important to get the right type of insurance for your investment property. If you have a unit, apartment or townhouse, you will need landlord insurance with contents only because the contents is what I described for you if you have a house. Your building contents, if you have an apartment or unit, is actually covered by the strata. So the simple truth is landlord insurance is one of the factors that could make or break your financial success of your investment property. So I hope this helps when kind of deciding about any landlord insurance. And if you need any guidance at all, please feel free to give our office a call on 1300 193 290. Thanks for listening and have a great weekend. Oh, and don't forget, we've got a YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.